Hey guys, so if you've been here any amount of time, you know that I'm going to get cut off 80% of the time because I just ramble. But I ramble because I don't pre-rehearse anything like you're seeing this raw. So you see, we didn't take that, or I say we, and I apologize. I'm so used to doing this in a group setting to where I'm providing a signal. What I'm doing now is I'm not providing signals because anybody that was in the signal group knew that if you had 100 people in the signal group, 10 of the 100 might be able to follow the signals, and the other 90 were just absolutely lost. And all 90 of them had different reasons, right? So little by little, I scaled it back. I mean, 47, I think, was the highest number we had. We were allowed, the Zoom could take 50, and we had 47. And Jen said one time, "This is too damn much. I just can't handle it," right? Because it's bing, 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 questions flying. We've scaled it down to where we didn't have about 7 or 8 towards the end, but that was by design because the more I try to explain it in a group, the more I can understand that it's not resonating, right? This person doesn't have any idea what a pip is, and this person could write a definition of pip probably as good as I could, but didn't understand how to use it. So it's kind of crazy how things go. So I'm not providing signals. I'm providing education. I'm not telling you to follow me. I'm saying do not follow me. The binary of follow this signal is what? One of the first questions that I ask every single person, right? When in their first free class is, do you know what the word binary is? 1 out of 100 was close, I think. They kind of, sort of, maybe, and I was like, no, it's simple, right? What does binary mean? So if you don't know, come hang out with me or look it up, right? So we work off of a binary. Did it do it? Yes or no? Did it win? Yes or no? What's the numbers? Mathematics. So now you're going to see it live. You're getting another step 1 on strategy 3. It's 9:42, 10:42, 11:42. That means you're going to watch it till almost lunchtime. That's not written in stone like a contract. We're not on an exchange. So it's a 2-hour mental trade, but because it's not going to end in 2 hours, you can constantly be adjusting it. That's the switch you have to make from a binary contract or an options contract or a binary contract to just, I'm making a binary decision on a broker that I can let it run as long as, and you got to be able to know to make the change. All right, so reject it again. So I'm already getting that feeling of like, you know, do I really want to hang out? Is this going to be worth my time? It could break out in 2 candles, or it might have to take it 2 hours. So I'll watch it, and I'm constantly making that decision. I'm trying to share that in the training channel. So the ones that have taken the strategy psychology course, dependent upon what stage they're in, which everybody has completed it. Daryl was the last one to complete it. And so I've got 2 that or one that's actually in it now and one that's considering it. And then I've got 2 or 3 more. Jesse, I forgot to mention you, but it's Daniel today, and then you're in the morning, early in the morning, 7 a.m. I'll be on time, you be on time, right? So discipline is like the backbone of this system. And John Blue, if you want to hop in here, you just finished the 6 classes. Maybe you can tell someone here that's considering the 6 classes if they should do it or not. I'm pretty strict, right? But I'm going to have fun. But this is serious, and we got to treat it serious. And you're not going to get rich quick, and most likely you're not going to get rich at all. And it may or may not be able to replace your income, but we don't know. Right? So we have to start with the basics and build it up. And then you're making decisions based off of mathematics, off of the calculator. Based off this calculator, can I or can I not do this? And to what extent? Right? So 99% of what I do is free. Take advantage of it. There's a lot of people in here that has not even activated their accounts yet. And you wanted to be here. You were on the list, but now you're not doing anything. Help me help you, right? So see Daniel today. Jesse, I'll see you in the morning. Harry, I'll see you on Friday. Peace.